Well, welcome back to Channel 1. Today I'm going to show you how to install the dryer cord on your dryer using the three-prong method. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, the first thing you're going to need obviously is the dryer cord itself, and this is going to be the three-prong method. And in that package you're probably going to have a strain reliever connector as well. So if you don't, you're going to need to pick one of those up. Now on the back of the unit there's going to be a faceplate that you're going to need to remove, and that 1/4 inch drive is generally what that's going to be. So go ahead and remove that screw and remove that cover. So then all you need to do is just bring the cable up, and basically you're going to lay it out just the way it's laid out right here. One on the right, one on the left, and one in the middle. All right. So you may find that yours may be a little bit different. I'm going to remove the screw for each one. I'm going to go ahead, bring this one up. There's one. That's a line. Okay, the middle one, neutral ground. And then you have your other line. Then go ahead and take your strain relief connector, and you want the threaded part of this facing down. You're just going to place that in there like that. Place this one like this, like here. Just kind of push that in a little bit. You don't want any of the strain to be on the connectors there. Go ahead and put the screws in. Go ahead and put the cover back on. And you're set to go. Oh yeah, as you can see, there's not a whole lot to this. As far as tools go, all you're going to need is a 1/4 inch nut driver and a Phillips screwdriver for the most part to do this installation. So I hope this helps you with your dryer cord installation, and we'll see you on the next one.